Hi, this is Rajiv and welcome to Word in Brief. I want to tell you, with God, nothing is wasted. For today's devotion, I want to take you to a passage in 2 Kings chapter 8 verses 1 to 6. Let me summarize what exactly happens there. There's a conversation between the king and the servant of the prophet Elisha. Now the king is very curious and he wants to understand more about the miracles, and in particular how Elisha the prophet raised people who were dead. And while the servant is recounting these incidents, a woman seems to be entering the court. She enters the court at the precise time when this whole narration is actually happening. The background to this woman is that this woman had a son, right? And the son died, and the prophet prayed over the dead son, and God miraculously gave life to that son. But what's interesting is this woman had left the land, left her fields, left her produce, left her profits, and gone to another land because of a severe famine that was there in the land. Now this woman makes the entry back in an attempt to ask the king to get back her land. It seemed a rather impossible task. But as she entered, the servant of the prophet was narrating about her and her son. And as she entered, the servant is shocked and looks at the king and says, "Oh king, this is the woman who I was talking to you about. This is the woman whose son was dead and the prophet raised." I want you to understand the orchestration of the timing, right? What if the lady came a day earlier? What if the lady came 2 days later? Why did she have to come at the exact moment when this conversation between the king and the prophet's servant was happening? I believe that's God orchestrated timing. And the point I want to focus is the woman came back with a sense that she had wasted a lot in life. She had wasted the land, she had wasted the crops, she had wasted the produce, she had wasted the income. But God orchestrates the timing in such a way that the king is so amazed at the entrance of this woman and the story that he instructs an officer to go along with the lady for her to get back all what she had lost, her land, as well as the income of what the land would have produced from when she left to that particular day. How amazing is that? You see, life has come to a standstill. And in these moments of a standstill, we often think a lot is wasted. We often think a lot is lost. And perhaps you're thinking, 2020 is wasted. My dreams are wasted. My ambitions are wasted. My goals are wasted. But I'm here to tell you, with God, nothing is wasted. God will make something good which seems to be a mess. So I want to encourage you. Remember this. With God, nothing is wasted. God bless you. I would encourage you to view my YouTube channel. You'll find some enriching content there. God bless.